After almost 4 hours of driving through the Eastern Peripheral and NH21, we finally reached our destination, Keoladeo National Park. Hello, I'm Shuparna. Welcome to my channel. We parked our car at gate number 2 and to our surprise, a few beautiful deer were already there to welcome us. That moment instantly made us smile. It felt like nature itself was greeting us. Now let's head towards gate number 1 to get our entry tickets. The ticket price is 155 per person. There is a lot of information displayed here. You can pause the video and read if you'd like to know more. Here is Oliva, already busy exploring the surroundings with her curious eyes. We have got our tickets now and decided to take an e-rickshaw to explore the park. The area is really vast, and since I'm 7 months pregnant, walking long distances isn't possible for me right now. Amrit decided to follow us on e-cycle. That added even more fun to our little adventure. We didn't hire a guide as the charges felt a bit high, but our rickshaw driver Bhaiya was very kind and knowledgeable. He's been working here for years and shared many interesting facts about the birds. We stopped several times to watch birds, monkeys, nilgai and deer. Oliva was so excited, her laughter made everything even more special. Unfortunately, the boating area was closed during our visit. They will reopen it again in winter, around November. Honestly, I didn't know much about the bird species here, but being in this calm and quiet place surrounded by nature felt so peaceful. Listening to the birds singing, it was truly relaxing. I felt like I could sit here for hours without getting bored. As we took our phones to capture the moment, little Oliva started pretending to film too, just like us. We couldn't stop smiling watching her imitate us so cutely. The weather was quite humid at first and I was sweating a lot, but as the day went on, it became cooler and more pleasant. I was amazed to notice that everyone here seems to know exactly where each animal usually appears. Later, when I watched other people's video, I saw the same owl sitting in the same spot. So fascinating. Next, we tried feeding some birds. Oliva was very excited, but the moment they started taking food from her hand, she got a little scared and backed away. It was so cute. Look at her here, busy taking photos and videos, just like a little explorer. And then came the most magical part. Sitting on the rickshaw, watching the sunset with wetlands shimmering on one side, the whole scene looked straight out of a painting. Soon we reached Sunset Point. We were sitting on the rickshaw and Amrit was standing ahead, watching the breathtaking view. Suddenly an idea struck me. I ran toward him and we captured a beautiful photo together with a serene sunset in the background. It was so beautiful. Watching Amrit cycling beside our rickshaw and talking to us while we enjoyed the view. Those little family moments are what make trips like this unforgettable. Now it's time to return. The sun is setting. The sky has turned a glowing shade of red, and the whole park feels wrapped in golden calmness. Initially, we thought of staying overnight and returning the next morning, but then we felt we would experience everything we wanted to see. So instead of spending extra on a hotel, we decided to drive back home. Hearts full of memories and happiness. That's all for today. If you enjoyed this video, please don't forget to like, share and subscribe to my channel. I will be back soon with another travel story. Till then, take care and bye bye.